Meaning of Harry S. Truman.
Harry S. Truman.
Harry S. Truman.
Harry S. Truman.
Harry S. Truman. Harry S. Truman was the 33rd President of the United States, serving from 1945 to 1953. He became president after the death of Franklin D. Roosevelt. Truman oversaw the end of World War II and played a key role in the creation of the United Nations. He also implemented the Truman Doctrine, which helped contain the spread of communism. Truman signed the Marshall Plan, which aided in the reconstruction of Europe after the war. He is also known for the decision to drop atomic bombs on Japan. Truman's presidency was marked by significant domestic and international events.